Now I'll show you how to get started with MailChimp to create new account to start sending newsletters. So in order to do that, you need to sign up for free to MailChimp. So go to MailChimp.com and click on sign up free. Now you need to create new account. So put your email address, username and password. When finished, simply click sign up. We have to confirm our email address. So go back to your mailbox and activate the account. Now confirm that you're human. And on the next page, you can start with picking a plan. So I recommend picking a free plan. Get started with a free plan, which gives you opportunity to send newsletters to up to 2,000 contacts or 10,000 emails sent per month. So simply click complete and finish setting up your account. And on the next page, you can specify whether you already have any subscribers. So you can click yes if you have got. If you, for example, from your previous business, if not, simply click no. Or if you're not sure, you can also select it, but I'll just put no at this stage and click continue. And on the next page, we can get started with designing first email, so our email template, adding contacts, and sending newsletters.